Hi guys, Piotr here. This is LiteFinance global YouTube channel, and we are going to discuss Monero today. Yes, Monero, the digital currency. Monero is on the market around from or since 2014 and seen a lot in terms of price in recent years. But what makes Monero so special is the privacy. Yes, it's the privacy, guys. Well, the price lately shows beauty move to the upside when we are talking about the monthly chart, right? But the last month is to the downside. So the transactions with Monero are confidential and not traceable. That's the very important thing. 100% of decentralization, that's the key. All right, that's the very important thing. The team, there is more than 200 developers when it comes to the Monero. Okay, Monero is scalable because it has no fixed size for a block. Again, transactions are confidential and non-traceable. And again, by default, every Monero transaction hides the send and receive address and the amount proceeds. So what we are going to discuss today is the very privacy. At the same time, all those political group are so scary, trying to talk Monero down. Well, there is always two sides, and the one is what is good behind, and the second what is wrong, what is bad, why we should avoid, right? So overall, taking into the consideration what we are going to discuss, I really love Monero because of the things we were discussing, right? Because of the privacy. That's the best thing. Anyway, well, lately, taking into the consideration what we've seen based on the monthly chart, the huge rejection, monster rejection, or even bigger monster rejection, we have like 440 huge supply level, but we are discussing demand level around 120. That's the monthly chart, and that's what we are going to discuss. Well, let's switch a little bit lower. Let's switch a little bit lower to the weekly chart. Alright, that's the weekly chart, and well, that's the most important thing. So overall, we were and we are very positive when it comes to the cryptocurrencies, right? The very important thing is that between 40 and between 80, that was some kind of the consolidation when it comes to the Monero. Then we've seen monster big break to the upside, right? So again, what we've seen right now, I would rather consider as a retest of the broken consolidation than something different. So what I expect from here when it comes to the Monero, some kind of the consolidation and then rally further out. Well, I think that we might see a little bit lower levels than what we've seen right now, okay, and then higher prices. Okay, so let's have a look from the daily chart perspective what we have. Yes, there we go. boom, the first thing first. $160 level being touched. Okay, then I think below we might see latest level of the weakness, 67. Yes. So how I'm going to get this level, how I'm going to wait and being patient. Look for this 1, 2, 1. Yes, guys, that's the big thing. That's what I see here. And well, to be honest with you, that's the way to the downside, all right? And that's how I see the things doubling down. So I'm not buying right here, right now. I am waiting for a little bit lower levels. Well, the thing is that first, we've seen Elon Musk, right, trying to play down the Bitcoin. Then we've seen all the rumors related to the Binance US, with the possibility of the investigation when it comes to DOJ, Department of Justice, and the IRS, right? IRS. And finally, lately, we've seen that China is playing down the Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So they are going to try to ban the cryptocurrencies overall, but of course they are not going to play down their own cryptocurrencies. So of course 2013, 2017, we've seen the same stuff. Anyway, what I like when it comes to the Monero, 70, 65 is my level to buy, all right? And I'm looking for the first thing to break the falling trend line, number 1. That's the falling trend line. I'm looking for a break to the upside, retest. I'm going to double down on the retest. I'm going to look for 450, 500 as a possible target. So guys, don't be scared, because you might be scared if you are over leveraged, right? So if you are trading cryptocurrencies and you are over leveraged, then you might be scary. I think the wise scale to the position could be the solution, right? So do your own research, do your own homework, but I think as long as we are above $165, $100 and then $65, we are very well prepared to see higher levels when it comes to the Monero. Buying the dip, that's the name of the game. It was my pleasure to prepare this update for you. Wish you great rest of the weekend. Wish you great adventure with the cryptocurrencies. Take care and see you around. Goodbye.